In this video I'm going to show how to make page numbers, Roman numerals in Word. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So what you need to do is open your project, open your Word project, okay? Click on any local, then you need to click on the second option right here at the top left corner, insert on the third option, and click on page number right here. You will see by the side footer and text box. In your case may be different the location, so click on page number, drag to top of the page, then you will need to find Romans right here, okay? So select the Romans that you want to use. I'll use this one, and you can see that I put the Roman numbers in page number. Here you can type anything that you want to put before the Romans numbers, okay? So for example, page or number, chapter, and so on, okay? I hope I help you on how to make page numbers, Roman numerals in Word. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.